Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Moto Edge 30 Ultra with a broken display, and there's no crack on the display, no crack on the back cover, but it's broken. Let's go fix it. So we're gonna remove the back cover first. This Moto Edge 30 Ultra is quite a beefy smartphone in its physical dimensions. The back cover was taken off that easily. That was surprising. We're gonna remove this camera cover. Camera cover is the same as the cameras underneath it, so there's no pretensions on this smartphone. It's honest. Also have a cover for the main board and the wireless charging cover. You can now see the battery. We're gonna disconnect the battery, then reconnect it. We haven't really shut down the device through the display, so that's how we restart it. We're gonna detach the connector for the display and connect our replacement display into its connection. We're gonna turn this phone on to see if our replacement display is working, and it does work. Look at that classic Motorola logo. We're gonna wait for this to boot up, see if it boots up successfully, and it did. We are now in the home screen and it's still okay. All seems to be working fine. I think this battery needs to be recharged. The cameras are all okay. So we're gonna shut this phone down now properly this time through the software, and we'll continue with our disassembly. Next thing we're gonna remove, I think, is the battery. So this is our replacement display, brand new one. So we're gonna remove some stickers. I think we don't have to remove the battery. We're gonna proceed to the removal of the display up front. This will be tricky. The adhesive is quite strong. I think the back cover has been opened before by the client. We don't really know for sure, but it was easier compared to this one. We're gonna slice through the adhesive. I'm gonna detach it. I'm gonna use some plastic tools. And yeah, before we can remove the display up front, we're gonna remove the battery at the back. I think David has realized that too. We're gonna remove the battery first. The connector for the display is found underneath the battery, so we can't really pull out the display with its cable sticking out through the main frame. So remove the battery, put that to the side, and here's the connector for the display. We're gonna proceed now. It's okay to remove the display, and there we are gonna peel off the connector so that we can pull it out on the other side. Adhesive on the display is quite strong. I think that's a good thing. But when you're trying to open up the device, it's gonna be a struggle. But not for David. He took his time. We've already edited this video, so you won't have to wait that long. And we're gonna remove this adhesive strip. It seems okay. We haven't really damaged it, so we're gonna reuse it and put it on the frame itself. I'm gonna peel it off slowly. It's quite complicated. I'm gonna stretch it out, put it on the frame, because we can still reuse it with the new display. There you go. And we're gonna clean off the frame itself with the remaining gunk and other adhesive residue. We're still gonna use a fresh layer of adhesive, but not on all sides, only on the, I think, the top side and the bottom side. So it's cleaned up now. Make sure it's level so that when we install the new display, it's gonna sit flush over the frame. I'm gonna put some fresh layer of adhesive. We're gonna avoid the speaker grill and the camera, and on other parts where there's no adhesive strips, put the sufficient amount, not too much, not too little, just so we can install the display and make it hold while the client is using their smartphone. I'm gonna align it. There you go. So this is why you need an expert smartphone technician to fix your device. There's a lots of ins and outs. There's variations in different smartphone brands and models. So if you're interested in having your Motorola smartphone fixed, go to Sydney CBD Repair Center. Find David. He's the one fixing this smartphone right now. So if you're impressed with what he's doing with this smartphone, definitely consider him on your next repair needs. If you can't visit Sydney in person, you can also mail in your broken smartphone. We do screen replacements for iPhones, Samsung devices, Asus ROG smartphones, and even entry-level Samsung devices. So if that's what you need right now, you can message him through Facebook, Instagram, or you can leave a comment on this video. So we're gonna reassemble everything. We're gonna reverse the process. We're gonna put back all the screws for the motherboard cover and the camera cover as well. Screw that in, and we're gonna perform final testing for the camera, buttons, touchscreen, this Wi-Fi, signals, other radios. So that's it. We're gonna give it back to the client, and this is gonna be used for at least 2 to 3 years or maybe more. So don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. I hope you learned something from this video. I hope this inspired you to have your smartphone fixed. If it's just less than 2 years old, that's definitely worth the fix, especially on high-end smartphones. It's gonna be costly, but it's better than buying another brand new iPhone or Samsung device that you don't really need. Your existing smartphone is already capable and good enough. So that's it for us. We'll see you again next time. Take care. Thanks for joining, guys. This is the before and after. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time,